Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. Can I get a hell yeah? Yeah. So today is self-care day. I haven't done this really on my channel, but we're gonna do some skincare. Partnered with Fenty Skin, Matic Sweated. Start off a little self-care. I'm gonna bun some incense. This was my fave, and I'm actually realizing that I probably don't want to hotbox myself in the bathroom, so I'll probably put it in my bedroom. Neg Champa in midnight, the best. Also got myself a glass of wine in a Sondra proof cup. Have little sips throughout. And we're gonna get into some skincare. If you got a bra, take it off. It's not the vibe today. So I'm that excited because I didn't even know this, but Fenty Skin is now available at Sephora Canada. And a few videos ago, I did like a Sephora must-haves. Did this whole big thing on Fenty skincare, and then I realized it wasn't available at Sephora, so I had to cut it out of the video. But now we can give it some TLC, give you a whole overview. We'll actually do it. I talked about this before on my channel, but I never actually applied it. Other than these two things, I haven't washed my face on camera, I don't think ever, so that's what we finna do today. Start off a little skincare thing, have a little bit of wine, you know. I'm gonna go through the 3-step morning routine. Wine is not in my morning routine, but we're doing a self-care video. I wanna have a little sippy sip. Oh, fudge. It's a self-care day, so we're not being bothered. Let me just rinse it. We're just gonna pretend that that's not there. I'm wearing with pride, okay. So first up, we have the Total Cleanser. Super dope because you don't need to use your makeup wipes. We're being a little more conscious of the environment right now, less waste. It's a 2-in-1 makeup remover and cleanser. Gets into a really nice, rich, luxurious lather, and it's gonna remove all the dirt, oil, and long-wear makeup without stripping or drying. As I said in the first video, when I talked about this, I'm not immediately bolting for moisturizer with that tight skin feel. Got Barbados Cherry, and each cherry actually has more vitamin C than an orange to help brighten, which I've been really trying to do. Has green tea rich in antioxidants to help defend against environmental stressors. Big desert loving fruit that's rich in antioxidants. Quince, a rare fruit that thrives in rough, dry climates, infused with minerals to help condition. And it is oil free, won't clog pores, for all skin types, clean, vegan, and gluten free. Also, a really cool thing is this packaging is actually made with 40% post-consumer recycled material, and you can actually recycle the bottles too. So I'm just gonna wet my face. I feel like skincare is like a really intimate thing with yourself. Like, you know, it's something that I like to take my time with, and I really like to feel my face when I'm doing it. And it smells so good. Coconut and cherry type of scent. Always get your neck. Might as well not care because I already got water. People don't spend enough time on their neck as well. Usually, to be honest, I'll keep this one in my shower and then save it for right when I'm about to get out of the shower so that I can rinse and go on to the next steps. But the scent is so soft and it just smells really good. Around those, nice and sudsy. This is a good way to practice like remembering how to contour. You really get to feel your bone structure with this. And this is also good just to get your circulation going in your face. Nice little scrub. I'm gonna rinse that off. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, warm too. Okay. Nice and clean. One thing I like about all these products too is that they're all 2-in-1, and if you're like me and you maybe don't want to do like a whole 6-step skincare routine, this kind of tackles all those things all together. So that was our makeup remover and cleanser, but it also had all those great extra bits like brightening and making sure you don't have shine throughout the day, and so it does a lot of things. It smells so good too, nice and light. All right, let's move on. So next up we have the Fat Water Toner Serum Hybrid. I've recently become super fond of toner. I know it's like kind of have to do it right after your cleansing, but I feel like in terms of how my skin has been, thinking about stuff like texture, dark spots, I scar forever with if I ever get blemishes. One kind of healing here. A few videos back, I had like this black scar on my cheek for like a really long time. But I noticed before when I'd say like, hey, my scars are there for 3 or 4 months, now they're disappearing much, much quicker. So I'm gonna tell you what this toner does real quick. So it has niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, which helps reduce the look of dark spots, and it evens your skin tone and fights excess shine. The Barbados cherry again, Australian lemon myrtle, and witch hazel water, that really helps to reduce oil and refine pores. Japanese raisin tree, which has actually been used, it says, for over 1,000 years in Asia as a recovery treatment from long nights of hoarding. Helps detoxify. Cactus flower thrives in the deserts. Helps hydrate. Green tea and fig, which again is in the cleanser. Also again with the earth conscious packaging, and the bottle and cap are recyclable as well. So one thing I really love about this is that it really helps to brighten and also make your pores look smaller, which is good to start working on right away, because once your pores are enlarged, you cannot really do anything about it, do much about it anyways. But starting to work on the texture of your skin, I think, is so important, because you can cover marks with makeup, but you can't cover texture. So anything that's gonna help to shrink the pores, brighten the skin, huge fan of. And I love that this is a 2-in-1 serum and toner, skipping out one of those steps, you know. I love a serum, but it's one of those things that I forget to do the most. I'm more like cleanser, toner, and then moisturizer. But if you can nourish your skin with a serum as well, and this does toner and serum together, it's like easy peasy, feel me? And I like that it's thick enough to use your fingers with, but it feels like a water on the skin. It's very nice. So that's that. I'll let you get in nice and close on my skin. Yeah. Next up, this is super dope. So this is the Fenty Skin Hydra Vizor. What is this? A 2-in-1 of SPF and moisturizer. Light as air all day hydration plus sun protection. It's a pink tinted cream, so it's not going to give you any of that chalkiness or milkiness or flashback. Works really well with makeup. I've tried myself and it sits really well. Doesn't move it, doesn't break it around, doesn't change the color. Absorbs super well into the skin, and it doesn't pill or ball up. Boosts and brightens skin, making pores, fine lines, wrinkles less visibly, instantly and over time, and it reduces the look of dark spots too. This one has Kalahari melon that's rich in antioxidants and vitamins, helps to hydrate. Niacinamide again, and hyaluronic acid and aloe to help hydrate, soothe, and condition. Baobab, which is super nutrient rich, superfruit, helps to hydrate, and it's been made with care for the coral reef, so it doesn't contain oxybenzone or octinoxate, you know, trying to read over here. It's not gonna clog your pores, and it's oil free. Again, all clean, vegan, gluten free, and for all skin types. So it looks like, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the pink. This is obviously too much. I'm just trying to make sure that you guys can see it. So again, I'm just gonna massage this into my skin. And you know, sunscreen is a thing that I definitely forget along with serums. So having that already built into my moisturizer, which I never forget, is very nice. Neck too, and I always like to put it on my ears. Oh yeah, just nicely absorbs. So this is our skin right now. And I'll just say, this is a personal experience with this, is I feel like it's a primer. Because it's working to kind of help reduce oil, hydrate, plump the skin, reduce fine lines, wrinkles, all that stuff, pores. This is a primer. I feel like this with the fat water mixed together is like a primer made in heaven, because the oil control will help your makeup last longer, and then the pore refining and smoothing and plumping and hydration will just look so good underneath your makeup. Like, it just really plumps it, makes everything look fresh and hydrated and youthful. I think this line is very genius. It's not too crazy price-wise, and especially with the ingredients that you're getting and the recyclable packaging, I think is really dope and stuff we need to start thinking of. I'm gonna get real close. I want you to see my thoughts. We'll be so close. This is a huge thing for me, you know, like I feel like throughout quarantine, I know I've definitely thought more into skincare and have been taking care of myself in that way, and really exploring more things that make us feel comfortable or make me feel comfortable and cozy. So I was super stoked to see that Fenty Skin came about, and my whole morning routines have totally changed throughout quarantine. And I'm just super excited that now with wearing masks masks, and that's why I'm having more breakouts around here. But now I'm taking better care of my skin, making sure you're not falling asleep with your makeup on, huge. And having something simplified into 3 products I think is genius, because like I said, things that I typically skip is serum and sunscreen. Those are already built in, and then toner I'll forget sometimes. And because my skin is so sensitive, I don't always cleanse every single day. I will do a makeup remover and toner, but I feel like this is gentle for how sensitive my skin is. And like I said, I'm 31 now, I'm gonna be 32 next year, and I am looking at skincare way more. So if you're a younger viewer and you're watching this, start taking care of your skin. I know people say that, but like actually you should, because it makes a huge difference. I did, yeah. Because I'm taking care of my skin and I'm taking off my makeup at nighttime. There's been so many times where I've been like turning up and I'll like face plant with my makeup and eyelashes on, and then my eyelashes are all like this in the morning. So I'm making sure it doesn't matter if I have to do it with one eye open like this, taking off all your makeup. We also don't have nowhere to go, so might as well, you know, take care of your skin. When we're out of quarantine, you're just gonna be like, pat, she healthy. Also, huge skincare tip, drink lots of water. It really helps. So anyways, that's our little Fenty Skin routine. Those are the reasons why I love the product. We actually did it all together. Thank you so much to Fenty Skin for partnering with me on this video. I'm so happy that it's in Sephora now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.